Hello everyone, welcome to this another new video. In this video, I'll try to demonstrate the Selenium features where it will send an email, it will list out broken URL and it will download Google images. So let's begin with the video. So first, I will be using the command prompt to run my code, Python code. So the command is like Python space file name. So Python tsp.py. Whenever I enter, it gives me a prompt that enter 1 to send an email, enter 2 to list out broken emails, and enter 3 to download a Google images. So let's start with 1. When I press 1, it asks for desired URL. It asks for the subject. So I'll give it a subject name, test email. Then it asks for message. So write your desired message. This is a test mail. The next thing it asks is the receiver's email address. So here I am giving my own personal email address. I am blurring this. So here we go. So it says the successfully sent. That is email successfully sent. So let's try out the next one, that is list on broken URLs. So it asks for the desired URL, like on which website you want to check for broken URLs. Now I am giving www.google.com. Hope it works. Since I am not copying their exact URL, maybe it may give some error. So Selenium works here. Selenium opens up a browser window and it tries to open. Okay, what happened? Okay, there's some error coming in. No problem. Oh, okay. It says wait a bit. Okay, it says that the URL is not a valid URL. Okay, then I think I need to copy a valid URL. So this thing, let's pause it. So I just copied the URL of HackerRank. Wait, what's happening again here? It's prompting something, command prompt. Okay, wait. So I have copied the thing. Let's run the tsp.py again. So it again prompts that I entered 2 as a sort of, then it asks for the URL which you want to check for. What's going on with this? Okay, fine. Then I here paste the HackerRank URL that I just now copied from, and it goes on checking. It opens HackerRank. Look, this is where the Selenium works. It opens HackerRank, it search for the thing, and whenever it found that all the links are valid, it showed me all links are okay. Then comes the third part, that is download images. Remember in the previous one, if you entered a URL which contains broken URL, it will simply show you. So in the download images, I will download all the images to this directory, and it will create a directory with my keyword name. So first it asks for the enter a keyword. I will enter a keyword called let's say landscape. So okay, landscape, enter. Now look, it will open up Selenium first, I mean browser. So browser goes on searching for landscape images, and then look, it created a directory called landscape and it started downloading images. It's downloading images. Look, it downloaded 10 images since I left a limit of 10 images. So it downloaded 10 images from Google Images, and then the last image is JPEG file, so it's not showing up. It's basically okay with that. Next, I have shown the 3 things this program can do correctly. So in case we give any other inputs other than 1, 2, 3, this will stop the execution of the program, and basically this is stop. It says sorry, wrong input, and exiting. It's exit the system. Okay, that's how this program runs. Now let's have a look at the code itself. So basically here I invoke Selenium and then I invoke few more things like validators and all for validating links and all. The first one, just look at the first thing, and this is the send email.py which I made for this #1. This is actually send email.email is basically the email function in send email.py. In the second thing, in the choice 2, it sends the URL, and in choice 3, it simply goes on searching for the keyword and works in that manner. So first look, it checks whether the desired directory is there or not with the keyword you searched for. If not, it will create a directory for you, like you saw that it created a directory called landscape. Then it searches for the images, and then it downloads it in this line. It downloads to the download path and replaces with a number, that is an image count number starting from 0. So it simply replaces the image name in that way. The next thing is that in case of download fail, it will simply show you that what the error is, and that's how this code runs. You can find this code on GitHub also. I'll post the link for the GitHub repo. And this last part, in case of else, sorry, wrong input will be given and exit. And here comes the send email portion. So in this send email, I first use the SMTP library for sending the email. It's basically very good for sending the emails. Then you can see here few things called config.email and config.password. So email and password are the 2 variables that I listed in config.py folder that you can see here in the top. But that 2 variables contain the strings of my email address and my password for that email. I won't open up config.py since it contains the password of my Gmail address. Sorry for that. But here it goes like that way. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video.